In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a form on Zoho Creator. If you need to update a form inside your app, Zoho Creator makes the process very straightforward once you know where to look. Whether you want to adjust the layout, change field settings, or customize how the form works, everything begins from inside your Zoho Creator account. Start by opening Zoho Creator and signing into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or account area, especially if you manage more than one app. This helps you avoid making changes in the wrong place. Next, go to the Apps section. This is where all of your available applications are listed. Find the app that contains the form you want to work on and open it. If you have several apps with similar names, it can be helpful to double-check before continuing so you edit the correct one. After you open your app, look for the Edit option. Click Edit to enter the customization area. This is the part of Zoho Creator where you can make changes to your form and control how it appears and behaves. Once you're in the editor, you'll be able to edit your form directly. This is where Zoho Creator gives you a lot of flexibility. You can customize the form's structure, review the fields that are already there, and make adjustments based on what you need. For example, this is the area where you can refine the overall setup so the form better matches your workflow. Take your time while editing, because even small changes can affect how users fill out the form. If you're updating something important, it's a good idea to review each section carefully before leaving the editor. That way, your form stays organized, easy to use, and aligned with the purpose of your app. The main thing to remember is that all form editing happens from the app's Edit section. So the process is simple. Log into Zoho Creator, open your apps, select the app you want, click Edit, and then customize the form as needed. That's all it takes to start editing a form on Zoho Creator. Once you're familiar with this path, making updates becomes much faster and more efficient.